Hey guys, so this is going to be your reading for the month of August. Please keep in mind, if this video does not resonate for you, please check my other videos to take a look at your moon, your rising, and you can also check your Venus sign as well. This person was like really wishy-washy with you. They could have been entertaining someone else. They could have been involved in like a family situation that they were needing to heal from. And so right now it's just kind of like you've been just taking care of you, focusing on you, moving forward, you know, opening up to your friends, your family, just doing what you need to do just to heal. Now, I'm gonna be honest with you, y'all, this is definitely the past person I'm picking up, so I'm not picking up on anyone new. This is letting me know that I feel like the person that you've dealt with before, they're trying to get out of a situation with that release your ex card. So they're trying to get away from someone. I'm seeing that either they have a child or children with this individual, or it's a situation to where they're needing to let go of this ex, and then it could have been family involved as well, or they're needing to also heal from like childhood trauma issues. But whatever it is, they're actually talking to someone right now because they're getting help, you know, getting advice on what to do. So, let's just hop in and let's see what's going on. Let's see which way this is going to go. Alright, Spirit, what's going on with Aquarius, please? Alright, Spirit. So, bottom of the deck, you guys have the Ten of Swords reversed. So, again, I'm telling you guys, you've been healing. You've been focusing on you. You know, you're healing from the betrayal that this person put you through. So, let's see. They're hoping that you've healed as well. Yeah, somebody could have been dealing with a Scorpio here. Even though somebody could be going through a transformation, I feel like whoever messed up, they feel like they're not going to have this new start with you, Aquarius. Yeah, because, see, they walked away from you. And in turn, they know that if they come back, they feel like you're going to walk away from them. Somebody could have been dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. I'm telling you, this person's coming back. They're going to be confident. They know what they want. They know who they want. They're just afraid you're going to end up going away. You're going to end up walking away from them this go around. See? They're coming back to balance things out with you. Clarify the Six of Pentacles. Yeah, they made a decision. I do feel like they were given to someone else. See? The fact that I'm the two kings, you see what I'm saying? That it was, even though I'm seeing two men, it could be two women, take whatever fits. But there was definitely some type of third party situation going on because they were giving to this other person. Somebody could have been dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio, but your person needs to speak up. Yeah, but they're unsure if things are going to improve between the two of you. They have to say something because your person, they stay quiet. They don't open up. They're afraid that the seeds that they planted with you, it's not going to grow. They're still going through their lessons, guys. Remember, I did see worth waiting for at the bottom of the deck. It's all in divine timing. They're still going through lessons. This is why they're not moving forward just yet. Yeah, see? Because they had other options in the past. I feel like, you know, they're trying to make a decision. Weighing up options. Yeah. Some of them have to end some type of family situation or get out of a family situation. For others of you, they feel like they're not going to be able to have a family with you. Or it's like you're not wanting, basically like the plans and the things that you guys talked about before. They feel like you don't want it. And they know they're going to have to work really, really hard to win you back. But you guys are over it. Look at that. See what I'm saying? This person in the past, they were being very sneaky. And they know they have to make some changes because, see, they're concerned about their stability. You know, they didn't bring stability into the situation. Somebody could be dealing with an Aries. Yeah, this is why they're moving slow right now. Okay? Because they're trying to remove themselves out of a third-party situation. Because they want happiness with you. Clarify the sun. Clarify the sun, please. The devil, that's the second time the devil keeps trying to come out. Somebody could definitely be dealing with a Capricorn. This third-party situation that your person is in could be very toxic. But I am also picking up, they're afraid you're not going to take them back. Yes, they want happiness with you, but because they kept entertaining someone else, or they were entertaining another situation, or they put other people before you, they're like, he or she doesn't want me back. But see, I'm telling you, they do want things to improve between the two of you. Yep, but because of what they did in the past, they're feeling like you're not going to take this offer. I told y'all. See? They want stability with you. They definitely do. But they're needing to get out of something. They have to speak their truth. And they're regretting everything that they put you through. Tell me more. Yep. Somebody could be dealing with a water sign, Pisces, Cancer, or Scorpio. This person knows that they hurt you. They know that. And they're feeling like you're not going to open up to them when they do return. They're afraid things are going to improve. You see what I'm saying? There are 2 threes here. There's definitely a third party. Hands down. And they're getting out of it, Aquarius. This person, they will be removing themselves out of this third party situation. Tell me more. Yep. They're moving on. They're coming towards you. If they're living with this person, they may have to physically move. Or they're leaving. I'm telling you, they're going to get out of it. They're coming to you. Look at that. Wait, that just kind of twisted and fell. Somebody could be dealing with a Cancer. Somebody could be dealing with a Gemini, but I'm telling you, this person's going to come back. They have to leave this situation alone in order to come back to give you this love offer that you deserve. That's why Spirit is saying divine time. And look at this angel trying to guide these 2 people together. Look, this person, they're coming to speak their truth. This person is coming, guys. It's been a long time coming, okay? And they made a decision. I'm telling you, they're coming, but see, this person is sad. They're sad because they don't know if you're going to accept this offer from them. But I'm telling you, they want to have this new beginning with you. There is communication coming in. Tell me more. But every time they want to say something to you, they don't. Because they kept stabbing you in the back. You know, and this is why they're not being positive. Somebody could have been dealing with a Taurus. But I'm telling you, this person wants to have a commitment with you. Look, there's an offer of commitment here. I'm telling you. The fact that I'm seeing it here, and I'm seeing it here, they will be giving you some type of offer of commitment. But there's the Queen of Pentacles reverse. I feel like this is you guys. You know, you could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or Virgo, but they're afraid. And you don't want to put any more time, effort, and energy because I feel like you guys have given them chance after chance in the past. And it's just to the point where they're like, man, he or she is not going to give me another chance. Like, we've done this dance before. I've said X, Y, and Z to him or her before. You know, at first they didn't want to open up to me, and then when they finally did to me, the person is definitely worried. Because see, look, I'm telling you, they want to turn things around with you, Aquarius. But they are watching you. They're keeping a close eye on you right now. Tell me more. Because look, the truth. They're going to have to come back and speak their truth, but I feel like they're scared. You know, this person, they're going to have to open up to you. And this person is worried. They can't sleep because they do want to heal things with you, and they are hoping and willing to give them another chance. But see, this person, I'm telling you, they were feeling stuck in something codependent. There was some definitely like codependent issues, or there's a codependent situation with the ex family, whatever it is. But I'm seeing that they're coming out of being frustrated, and they don't want you to cut them off. You could be dealing with an air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But this person, they're not battling themselves anymore. I feel like they're tired of arguing with others, but they are afraid you're not going to take their offer here. See? They're feeling like they're not going to have a new opportunity with you because of the fact that they didn't bring stability into the situation. Look at that. I'm telling you, they're feeling like you're going to cut them off for good. Again, you could be dealing with another air sign, Aquarius, Gemini, or Libra. But even though they're frustrated, they're trying to clear away obstacles in order for the two of you to be together. Because, see, now they're confident. They're not confused. They're not being wishy-washy. They know who they want to be with. And at the end of the day, I'm seeing here that they're hoping that you can forgive them for leaving you hanging, leaving you out in the cold for this other person or these other individuals. But it's more so down from me. Yeah, the Empress is reversed. They're afraid that they're not going to have this new beginning with you. Because I feel like in the past they were moving slow, but see, they're isolating themselves from you right now. They do want to move fast, but they just don't have the strength to. They know they're going to have to say something to you. Or it's a wrap for real. Somebody could be dealing with a Leo. See? Somebody's dealing with a fire sign, Aries, Leo, or Sagittarius. There was somebody interfering. That could be someone's mom, or this could be the love interest. See? This situation was very toxic. Could have been dealing with the Capricorn. Tell me more. And see, that's why in the past they were confused. They didn't know what to do. But they're not confused anymore. They're just still moving a little slow. And they're back and forth because they want a victory with you. But at the same time, they're feeling like it's not going to happen because, yes, they're coming back to offer you stability. They want to move things forward. But whoever this person is here, they're still holding on to them. See? They don't have a peace of mind right now. They're still feeling stuck in this situation. And they feel like you don't want to build with them. They're going to get out of it, but they're feeling like you don't want to build with them anymore. And that's why they don't have a peace of mind. See, they're back and forth with the Two of Wands. It's like in the past, you guys were the ones putting in all of the effort, you know, doing everything. And they weren't. And so now they want, it's like they're not confused. They're not juggling. They choose you. They're coming back to you. But they're afraid that you're not willing to, you know, put in the work anymore. You don't want to. See, they feel like they lost you for good, Aquarius. You guys are just moving very differently. Like, even if this person, if they've reached out to you in the past, it's just the way that you carried yourself, like, you know, via text message, phone call. It's like, you're like, okay, hey, what's up? Oh, I'm good. What's up? You know what I'm saying? Or even if you even responded at all, okay? It's just y'all are carrying this completely different with this person. You're no longer allowing somebody to waste your time. And this is why they're afraid, because they're like, oh, shoot, like he or she, they're not playing with me. So I'm seeing that, yes, they made a decision. And they made this decision listening to their intuition, but at the same time, yes, they're coming, but they're afraid you're still not going to accept this offer. Look at that. Again, there's another decision. They know what they need to do, but they're just not saying it. They're not telling you. They're not talking. They're not opening up. They're not taking a leap. Spirit, it's like this person, they're giving me a headache. They're giving me a headache. They better make a move. Tell me more. Yeah, they know that they didn't bring balance. I mean, I've been saying this. Somebody could have been dealing with a Sagittarius. They're back and forth here. Because they had you waiting on them, and they know it. And they don't want you to wait. But some of them are waiting because they're trying to make sure financially things are straight. Because they're having a hard time. Somebody could be dealing with an earth sign, Capricorn, Taurus, or a Virgo. But yeah, they're going to free themselves from some type of situation that they felt stuck in. And they are going to open up to you. And they are going to speak their truth. But this is what's going on right now. They know what they need to do. They're not doing it. That's the problem. So Aquarius, y'all keep focusing on yourselves, okay? You keep doing you. Keep having fun. Keep living your life. And yeah, this person. Y'all, leave me some comments. I'm over it. Leave me some comments. Let me know if this resonates. I hope you guys have a happy holiday. And I'll talk to you soon. Bye, Aquarius. Bye, Aquarius.